Say hi.
Hi.
We are on our way to a trail and we are getting ready to take photos. Holla.
Pretty. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
These are my two wonderful models. That is Jolynn. Hey girl. And that would be Kelsey.
Get out.
Yeah, we should stay closer to the fence in case they want to run at us. So we can just hop over as fast as possible.
I probably run like everywhere, but to the fence.
You probably do. There's a gate down there too in case you want to run down there. Oh, look, it's pink. It's pink. It's paying. Dude, it's like squirting out. Tip the cow. Yeah, tip it. They're not all. Oh, look, they're coming. They're coming.
I'm gonna leave now.
Okay, guys. We just got chased by a bunch of cows. See, there they are. And it was the tiny little calf that came up and started at us. And then it's like mama or something like joined in. And then we just started running.
Alright, no more cows.
So no more cows.
No, we're done.
Cows are not good.
Adios.
Deuces, cows, deuces.
Who did it?